Hello inspiring parents, welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna share few educational crafts that I have arranged at home. These educational crafts are very easy to arrange and very effective for teaching few educational concepts to kids. For arranging these educational craft, we only need few craft papers as well as scissor and glue. During this entire week, I arranged educational craft covering some of the science concepts, some of the math concept and some fun activities with my daughter. I like to arrange these types of activities so that I can keep her engaged and busy as well as I can teach few educational concepts to her. So let's get started. Here the very first educational craft that I have arranged was for teaching parts of the flower as well as parts of the plant, and for arranging this craft I made this type of template first. Label every parts of the flower as well as parts of the plant so that it will be easy for the kids to read, and after that I cut out some of the parts of the flowers from some construction paper. Here I made petals out of red paper and the center part of the flower with a yellow paper, and at the end I made stem out of the a little bit thicker cardboard, and then I made leaves out of the green paper. I labeled every part of the flower on the colored paper also, and after that I simply gave a glue sticks to my daughter and asked her to match every part of the flower. With this simple matching and gluing activity, we can easily help kids understand the different parts of the flower as well as different parts of the plant, which is the important part of the science education. We can do this activity indoor, and when we go outside we can easily discuss all these indoor concepts with them easily and show them different parts of the flower on the real flower as well as on the plants. Next, I have arranged the activity for making different shapes out of the construction paper, and for arranging this activity, first I made shapes on the plain white paper, and after that I cut out some paper stripes and let my daughter simply glue those paper stripes on the shape. And this activity is helpful for teaching how many sides every shape has. On the first page I made triangle and square, and on the next page I made rectangle and rhombus, and after that I wrote some numbers on yellow paper and asked my daughter to glue those numbers on every side of the shape so that she can better understand how many sides are there on every shape. This is a very easy activity, but it is very effective for teaching them there are how many sides on every shape. I have also made circles, and since circle has no sides, I decided to make the two parts of the circles, that is the semicircle, so that I can teach my daughter that circle can be divided into different parts, and the different parts of the circles are called semicircle. And when two semicircles join together, we can make a full circle. The next activity I have arranged making the handprints. Here I asked my daughter to put her hands, and I simply traced the shape of the hand. Then I cut out the handprints and asked my daughter to glue these handprints on the paper. And after that I cut out the numbers and I asked her to glue the numbers on every finger. And I feel like this activity will help her for understanding the addition using fingers. That is the next activity I want to start with her, that is the addition, and this way I can teach her there are 5 fingers on each hand, and both hands together we have 10 fingers, and we can use fingers for understanding addition. So that's why I have arranged this activity. I did all these educational craft, one craft per day. so that it will be easy for me to execute and do these activities with my daughter along with the other activities that I do on daily basis, such as doing daily workbook as well as some worksheet. So if you are looking for some of the activities for doing on daily basis, please watch my other videos. That's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to leave your comments in a comment section below. See you next time with the next video.